All right, I'm going to do a quick video flyby of our MPL Level 1 workshop, wafer orientation. I'm starting with the lab coats to show you that what is a normally full rack of lab coats is practically empty because we have so many teaching associates and students taking it that we're really utilizing our resources. All right, and so I can't help but, this is a poster done by my community college students about making an NMOS transistor here in lab. And then here's a poster about designing ASICs through tiny tape out for some freshman students. All right, coming over here. Hey, TAs, raise your hand. All right, those are my TAs. And then here are the students. They're in the first activity, wafer orientation, where they, in order to learn about crystal orientation, they break and scribe wafers. Very hands-on. Then, so we don't get nervous when we're loading the wafers, students just load wafers from one cassette to another so that they get familiar with the manual dexterity tools. Then we have our trusty furnace from the 70s, and we have them load and unload wafers in a cold furnace, which is a lot safer the first time around. Then here we just talk about various wafers. We have a 300 millimeter from Applied Materials, a silicon carbide wafer, and we even have a silicon boule, right? And so the big thing about today is that my TAs are giving the talk. I'm multiplying my force. I no longer, as even though I enjoyed it, have to be here every moment. This is groundbreaking for the students in the Bay Area, community college students and San Jose State students. We're a very open lab, as you can see, a lot of space to teach a lot of people. We're not so much research, but our friends up at Stanford like to hire our students to go be researchers there. Anyway, all very exciting.